So we are here at 11437 Bay Gardens Loop, Riverview, Florida. Right where we're at now is the new cleanout that we installed to remove the root intrusion. Before, all of these fittings had roots coming through them. You can see now, here is the transition right there. And then we'll back our way out to make sure that there's no roots. And then after I back this out, I'll move up to the next clean out to record the rest of the line. You can see here we are cameraing from the clean out at the side of the home. Down there is where we made the repair by the sidewalk.